Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today in this session we are going to discuss artificial intelligence semantic web. We will discuss its introduction, examples and some benefits that will definitely help you get a clear idea about this particular topic and get good marks in your examination. So now let's just start the session. As you can see, the semantic web is an extension of www. So it is an extension of World Wide Web that makes information understandable not only to humans but also to machines, right? Its main goal is to make the web not only readable for humans but also understandable to machine like AI systems. It adds meanings, meaning means semantics. It adds meanings to data so that computers can interpret relationships, context and logic, not just the raw text. So we can also say semantic web uses ontologies. It uses ontologies. RDF means Resource Description Framework, and OWL. OWL stands for Web Ontology Language. Clear? So I am repeating this statement. It uses ontologies, RDFs, OWLs, and these things are used to give meaning or means give semantics to a data, right? This allow AI systems to connect all the shared facts, their reasons, and provide accurate answers. So this is the definition of semantic web. You just have to remember it is the extension of World Wide Web. If we talk about some examples, so the first example can be your Siri, Alexa, Google Knowledge Graph, right? These use a semantic web concept to understand the relationships like person, country, president or symptoms, disease, treatment, everything, right? We have already used Siri, Alexa. These days we are using them in our daily lives, right? So all these uses semantic web concepts only. We have some other examples like Google Knowledge Graph. When you search for any name of any Bollywood actor, you can search for any name of any president, right? When you search for ABC, Google shows not just web pages but also structured facts like their any person's date of birth, their spouse, their movies list, their retirement list, everything, right? AI understands the relationship between person, their country, their movies, their favorite songs, their topmost, their latest movies, everything. This is called Google Knowledge Graph, right? Another is smart assistants like Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant. So if you ask, what is the weather in the city where my mom lives? The system must understand who your mom is, where she lives, and current weather data. So, semantic barrier technologies help connect all these facts. I hope you are getting all the points. If you have any confusion left, you can surely share in the comment section. Another example can be healthcare. It is in a medical AI can connect symptoms, disease, treatment using ontologies. For example, if patient has cough, if any patient has cough, fever or loss of smell, then the symptom, then our system may suggest COVID-19 test, right? This is the healthcare. It is a medical AI which can easily connect symptoms, disease and treatment. These three things and also medications. Another example is e-commerce. So like Amazon's AI uses semantic web principles to connect all the products with their categories, user preferences, their recommendations. For example, if you are searching for wireless headphones, it also shows Bluetooth earbuds, right? If you are searching for any, let's say, party wear dress in Amazon AI or any other platform, then it will also give you results in your social media accounts. It will also share some recommendations on social media accounts. All these are done with the help of semantic web. Other than semantic web, we have under evolution of www, we have emotional web, we have intelligent web, right? So many things we have that we'll discuss in the next session. So here we have some benefits. First is it makes the web smarter. So machines don't just store the data, they understand it. Like in the previous example, I have told if I told my system what is the weather in the city where my mom lives, then it first understand the concept where who is my mom, where she live, then it will give me a correct information. So machines don't just store the data, they understand it. Helps AI give accurate answers instead of just links. Enables data sharing across different domains like healthcare, education, business. It improves recommendation systems, chatbots, decision making systems. Okay, so it always recommend all these things with improvements day by day. So I hope students everything is clear to you. Thanks for watching the session. If you want me to continue this series, then definitely you can share your feedback. So thank you so much.